Hi friends, it's Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today's a little bit different. Last video I promised that I was going to give you a special announcement, and here it is. What you see behind me is my new studio. We are becoming full-time RV people. And what that means for you is my content is going to change just a little bit. I'm going to still be doing acrylic paints and acrylic art, but my fluid art time is going to be limited to when we're actually stopped and parked somewhere. So it's kind of going to be a mix mash, a whole bunch of different things that are going to evolve as we go along. So what you can expect from me are a few things. First off, I'm going to be moving into the direction of alcohol inks. You're going to see more alcohol, but you're going to see alcohol inks coming from me. I've been practicing, but I haven't been ready to show it quite yet. You're also going to see me move into the art of jelly prints. Now, jelly prints, I've done quite a few of them so far. I've been pulling prints for about, I was going to say, close to 2 months now. And although I haven't shown it yet, I'm getting very, very close to being able to share what I'm learning with you all. So you can expect that. And finally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, when I'm able to do the fluid art, I'm going to do canvases and canvas boards. And with that, I'll create collage. So I'm going to be doing quite a bit of collage journaling, and it's going to be an adventure. So I hope that you'll stick around and that you'll give it a look. The excitement of this is going to be that I'm going to be traveling, and I'll be showing those places that I am. As we go, it's my hopes to find artists in the area to maybe do collaborations with, one-on-one with each other. So we'll see how that works out. I do have a couple people already lined up that I will be doing that with, and I hope to find more. So I will let you know where we're headed and what our plans are as we discover them, because right now we don't have a firm plan in place. So please stick around, and if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, please leave a comment down in the comment section, and I'm going to be asking some questions that I'm going to ask for people to give me input. So take a look at those, give me the input, and I really do appreciate you being here. So for now, this is Dave, and we're out.